What was that?
That's just my brother, Saffron. Let's go find him. Let's hope it's not a real storm, Meep.
Oh, there he is.
Saffron, a lightning-colored marble. He is the troublemaker brother of Cerulean. He can spawn lightning even if the sky is clear. But don't confuse his magic with a real storm.
Quick, he's getting away. Let's go get him, Meep.
Not today, Cerulean. Lightning strike, Saffron.
Quartz crystal power.
Cloudy skies, Cerulean.
Okay, you win. Again.
You can never underestimate me. Yeah, he's right, Meep.
Power of lightning, Saffron magic paint.
We found all the magic paints.